In this video, we're going to explore the tools and resources that support the design and planning aspects when creating your own code or games. To master coding skills, children need to have the opportunity to explore program design to put their computational thinking into practice. The coding lesson plans in the computing scheme of work incorporate design into the planning of coding. The making process when coding is a cyclical one. It begins with a question, what do I want to do? Then I imagine and plan and eventually create my code, test and improve my code, and then share it with my friends. This is a cyclical process which involves planning and designing my apps or games before I actually begin to create the programmed code. There are lots of pre-made resources that your pupils could use to design their code, such as storyboards, either offline versions or versions that can be completed in Purple Mash itself. Your pupils could also create annotated diagrams of their program, such as these examples here. They could use the tool 2Chart to create a simple flowchart of their program. This 2Connect game planner is also very useful when planning your 2DIY 3D game. In designing this superhero code that I'm going to program in FreeCodeChimp, I have decided what objects or characters I'm going to have on my screen, what they will do, how they will interact, what actions and events will take place, and then what the sequence of events is. This sequence of events will help me to program the algorithm and the step-by-step instructions in my code. So I have now created my superhero code using FreeCodeChimp. It follows the story plan that I previously created using the storyboard. I could now use the self-assessment tasks that are available via 2Code in the Coding Resources and Solutions area. There is an online version that I could complete in Purple Mash, or I could complete the offline version. The design process is a crucial step in developing your pupils' understanding of coding and how their ideas can form the foundation of their program, game, or app.